Good morning, everybody. This is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Got another video for you today, but actually, as you can see, I'm on the show floor. So today, what we're gonna have for you is a brand new 2024 Forest River Flagstaff OTG. Now, what's different about these is it's more of your base model pop-up camper. As you can see, I've got a hard wall right here, and right behind this OTG, sit right there, I have another Flagstaff product. But if you're looking for something that's more of a beginner type pop-up camper, I got just the right one for you. So we're gonna take a look around the outside. We'll go on the inside, take a look at everything. Gonna be a shorter video today, but let me know what you think of this pop-up camper in the comments down below. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and help Bullion get to 20,000 subscribers. Let's get going. So as you can see here, OTG standing for off the ground. Got a nice look to it. I really like the black and kind of like the gray color here. Works really well. These are priced at about $79.95, so very affordable. So as you can see down here, we got our battery box. We got our connectors for the bed that sits right up above. It's a single axle. So this is manual as well. It doesn't have the power lift. Take another walk around. There's our step, and as you can see right there, we got our fire extinguisher for safety. OTG off the ground. Nitrogen filled tires. There's our axles here. And then coming around the back, lots of room. Spare tire sitting right here. Here's where the other bed lies, right here. And then for reference, here's another pop-up camper here. Got a lot on our show floor, a lot of options to choose from. Moving around to the other side here, it's gonna look very similar, but again, I got the OTG right here, another pop-up camper right here with more equipment, and then I got a hard side here as well. So I got a lot of options, but this one snuck out to me because of the price. And again, it's just perfect for first-time campers. And you can see for weight purposes here, if the GoPro can pick it up, dry weight of 1,289 pounds. So this will work for just about any tow vehicle. Oops, can't get around that way. Let's take a look on the inside. Here's our step. So coming on in, first thing we're gonna look at right away is the door. The door will latch behind me, or it'll come off this, latch behind me and close. So here's our bed here. You're gonna have your 42 by 78 beds here on both sides, or I'm sorry, 42 by 78 on one, 54 by 78 on the other. And all of these panels here that you can see, they can zip up here, keep you nice and warm. You got some touch lights here as well. I'm not plugged in, but you got your touch lights. Coming on down, got some storage in there. Owner's manual as well. You do have your dinette setting, which also can come down into a bed. Here's our other bed right across. We got our fan up above, smoke detector right there. Shorter smaller unit, shorter video. I'm tongue twisting myself here. Propane gas alarm. We got some charging ports in here too. Some more storage here. Little storage underneath. And then this does come with a portable toilet. Now with smaller units like this, you got to compromise a little bit, but it's just nice that they have that with it. And then this is Flagstaff, so it is part of the Millsburg, where it's from, Millsburg, Indiana. So it's really cool how they pride themselves on their work. So I'm going to hover over this. Feel free to pause the video, get a little bit more information. Constructed very well. And then here's some other stats here. Glad that the GoPro is picking that up. One more view of the inside here, what we're working with. More charging ports down below. Nice unit, very affordable. So that's going to do it for this video. Again, my name is Nate Green from Bowling RV in Duluth, Minnesota. At the start of this video here, all the information is going to pop up here. But if you have any questions, let me know. My contact information will be in the description box below. Again, that's going to do it for this video. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, help Bowling get to 20,000 subscribers, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.